Got a hole in your garden hose? Before you buy a new one, try this clever repair trick. Cut out the damaged section. Then take a short piece of hose to use as a connector. Insert it into both ends of the hose and wrap the joint tightly with strong tape. This will hold both sections securely together. The water won't leak, and your hose can keep working for a long time without the need to buy a replacement. Gardeners can water their flowers this way. When I learned this trick, I started using it myself. It saves me a lot of time. Take a regular plastic bottle and use a heated tool to make small holes in the bottom. These little openings make a big difference. This simple trick gives even the cheapest bottle a new use. Make a hole in the cap as well, just big enough to fit the end of a garden hose. The bottle is now ready. In the garden, insert the hose so that the tip reaches the very bottom of the bottle. Then, turn on the water. This setup is perfect for watering. Start watering your plants, and you'll immediately see the stream flow like a mini waterfall. It lets you water faster, cover more ground, and skip constant trips to refill a watering can. A simple bottle can really make gardening easier. My neighbor shared this trick with me. Add a bit of dish soap to the hose nozzle and turn on the water. A light foam forms that spreads across the entire car, dissolving dirt without the need for scrubbing. Rinse the car from the roof to the tires, and watch how quickly the dust and mud disappear. Finally, wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth, which will soak up the water and add a nice shine. From now on, washing the car has become incredibly easy. Plumbers are reluctant to share this simple trick. All it takes is inserting a hose into the toilet to help solve drainage problems. If your toilet clogs frequently or gives off unpleasant odors, you don't need to call a plumber right away. Grab a regular garden hose and a large plastic bottle. First, cut the bottle in half with a utility knife. You'll only need the top portion. Next, remove the cap and insert the bottleneck into the end of the hose. Secure the connection tightly with electrical tape so it stays stable and leak-free. Now prepare the other end of the hose. Cut it at a slight angle to a length of about 3 feet. This will make it easier to slide into the drain. Insert the prepared hose into the toilet and gently push it as deep as possible into the drain pipe. Once the hose is positioned deep enough, stand the bottle upright and pour in a generous amount of baking soda. Baking soda helps remove buildup and neutralize unpleasant odors. Next, pour in a good amount of vinegar. When combined with the baking soda, it creates an active foam that can help break down deposits and grime inside the pipes. This reaction may also help remove buildup responsible for unpleasant odors. After a short while, carefully pull the hose out of the drain and wait a few minutes to allow the mixture to move through the pipes. Finally, flush with water. The drain should flow more smoothly, and the unpleasant odor should be gone. Cut off a piece of steel wool and put it into the garden hose. Use pruning shears to push it inside. Connect the hose to the outdoor tap and turn on the water. The pressurized water will push it through the hose, removing dirt and buildup along the way. This will make it work like new again. You will restore full flow in just a few moments. How often should you water cucumbers? It turns out that watering cucumbers depends on several factors, such as soil type, weather conditions, and the plant's growth stage. During germination and early growth, cucumbers need consistently moist soil. Water regularly to keep the soil damp but not soggy. During flowering and fruiting, the plants require more water. Water them deeply but avoid overwatering. Depending on the weather, watering every 2 to 3 days may be enough. Deep watering is key. Since cucumbers have a deep root system, it's better to water thoroughly and less frequently than often and shallowly. Avoid getting the leaves wet to prevent fungal diseases. Water directly onto the soil around the plant. Mulching cucumbers can also help. It retains soil moisture and reduces how often you need to water. To check soil moisture, test it about 1 inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Always adjust based on the weather. Hot, dry days require more water than cool, damp ones. Here's how to fix a broken drying rack rod. Fasten the damaged rod with a zip tie, leaving a little slack. Then loop a second zip tie through it and attach the rod back to the frame where it came loose. Tighten everything securely and trim the excess plastic. A quick, simple way to save your laundry rack. This trick will save your pool float in a minute. Take some parchment paper and cut a piece. Place it directly over the hole. This protects the material from sticking to the iron. Heat up the iron and gently press over the spot a few times, applying even pressure. Wait a moment for it to cool down. Done! The hole is sealed tight and your float is saved for the rest of the summer. Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose. Cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. These bags are a great way to help your plants. Instead of asking neighbors to water them, I rely on this simple trick. Just fill regular Ziploc bags with water, adjusting their size to fit your plants. Prepare several bags and seal them tightly so nothing spills. Then, use a toothpick to make a few tiny holes on one side of each bag. A few holes are enough for the system to work properly. Place the prepared bags in the pots, close to the soil near the plants. That's when they start doing their job. The water will slowly moisten the soil for several days. It's a cheap, quick, and effective way to water your plants while you're away. Thanks to this solution, you don't have to worry about the soil drying out, even if you're gone for several days. Plus, this method doesn't require any special devices or a lot of effort. Thanks to this, your plants will stay healthy and beautiful even when you're not around. Try this simple trick and see how easy it is to take care of your green friends.